Hello guys and gals, I'm back again. It was almost 1 year that I haven't recorded anything, and that is because I was trying to have my time to think about how I'm approaching this channel, what is the best way to provide value as much as I can. Let's say the best approach to improve this channel and to improve the content that I'm creating here. So at the end, community management wasn't the thing that I was looking for. So I just came back to Madrid. I think I'm starting again. I'm still on my journey of finding the things that is for me. I think I have a lot of experiences to share. But today in this video, I will be sharing 3 tips of community management that will be helpful for you. So the first tip that I'm sharing here, it is that you need to be a problem solver. What is that? Because even though that is not in your scope of community manager, if the client has any doubt, any problem, for example, the printer is not working, or I have this problem with the connection, or the catering. Sometimes the client has ordered a catering, the client doesn't know what is the status, so you can help the client to follow up, and whatever reason. So if she has any problem with the finance, I think the mindset that you should have as community manager is problem solver. Because no matter what, whatever client that is facing is your problem. So you need to figure out what is the best way, the best solution to solve that problem. Second tip, for my opinion, the second tip is that you should be the glue. Why you should be the glue? Because in a working space you have different tenants. Some of them they are extroverted, others they are introverted. So your job is putting them all together. Try to make the relationship among them very natural. You should be learning what is the name of each one. You should be providing as much as positive energy as you can. And you can see sometimes there is like nice relationships coming out, personal and from the business point of view, from this kind of contact. So you are the middleman between your tenants, and it is your job to make them all together as a compact group, listening to their concern as a human beings. And I think also it's very important from the point of view of the business, because they want to improve their business, they want to grow up as a business. So this networking is highly important for them. So because they are meeting new people, they are meeting new chances, new events. So that is another point. And finally, third point, you should provide free value. You should provide as much as value as you can. For example, in my case, I was teaching Spanish. That is the thing that I know to do for free. I was planning to teach Latin dances as well, but that course didn't came out well. You always need to be thinking, what is the extra thing that I can do for my tenant? They are your friends, they are your clients, so you need to keep that on mind. What is the skills that I have that might be useful to the tenant? Or what is the connection, or what is the contact that I have that might be useful for them? These are the 3 points that I wanted to share with you. Hopefully, I hope that it is useful for you. And if you have any comment, please let me know in the comments. I will be very happy to reply you. Hey! Quickest, yeah, the best way, the quick, la fiesta. The tenants, they are there. So the tenants, they are there. So those are the 3 points I would like to